Jai Gurudev. I am Swami Umesh Yogi from Rishikesh School of Yoga, and today I would like to share Adho Mukha Svanasana. Means it's a dog stretching. But every teacher, every student have something special to share and something special to learn. Even every day I am sharing simple postures that you can find so easy everywhere. What is the difference? What is special in this practice that you can find that I try to make it easier and simple. Another, that how you can benefit and make it better to involve your breathing with your physical action. So your breath and your body movement helps you for the better and for the easier benefits. So please, let's do Adho Mukha Svanasana. It's a dog stretch. For the dog stretch, we stand like a cat pose. After that, we go to dog pose, mountain pose, and then first we try to open our leg muscles, make elasticity. So walk like this every time walking, inhale and exhale. So you are preparing your body for the dog stretch. And this way it is easier to make flexibility in your leg muscles. And then inhale, go on the toes, and exhale, try to push, bring your heel, try to bring your heel to the ground, and then keep pushing, and bring your forehead also to touch the ground. Exhale, exhale. Again, inhale, exhale. Normal breathing. So my dear friends, this Adho Mukha Svanasana, the dog stretch, helps you very good stretching for your all the back muscles, leg muscles, and it helps you lower back pain and shoulders stiffness, neck stiffness. This is good to practice, and if you have any questions regarding this posture, then please write me. I will try to answer you. Thank you very much. Jai Guru.